Are you having a watermark in your video? Like this, you can turn this into this stick with bun to know how to do this for free. I am trying to monetize my channel this year, so please make sure to support me. Now head over to this website, media.io. We will use this to remove the watermark. Click on sign up for free and create a free account. Then scroll down a little bit until you find watermark remover. Select this option. Make sure to log into your account before proceeding. Then click on this upload here button or drag and drop your video file here. After uploading the video, you will see a brush like this. Then select the area that you want to remove from the video and click on Remove Objects. Now it will take some time to process. After a couple of minutes, the processing is done and you can watch or download the video without watermark. The resolution of the video might not be that great, but there is also a tool to enhance the quality of the video. If you want to know about that, please let me know in the comments.